Ever wondered how we know so much about stars billions of miles away? We're basically cosmic spies, using mind-blowing tech to catch starlight and decode space secrets. Get ready, I'm about to show you our favorite astronomical espionage tricks. Think of telescopes as the ultimate cosmic magnifying glass, but way cooler. These aren't your grandpa's backyard stargazers anymore. Modern telescopes are like Swiss Army knives of space exploration, packed with mirrors bigger than your house that catch even the faintest whispers of light from distant stars. They work just like your eyes, but instead of a tiny lens, they use massive light-gathering surfaces that can spot a firefly on the moon. And the best part? Some telescopes don't even look at visible light. They can see radio waves, X-rays, and infrared radiation that our eyes can't detect. It's like having superhero vision for space. Let's talk about the most epic heist in the universe, stealing light from stars. Every photon that hits our telescopes is like a tiny time capsule that's been zooming through space for hundreds, thousands, or even millions of years. These light particles are ancient messengers, carrying secrets about their home stars. When they finally crash into our telescope's mirrors, we're basically intercepting cosmic mail that's been traveling since before humans even existed. The really wild part? We can split this stolen starlight into a rainbow of colors called a spectrum, and each color tells us what the star is made of. It's like reading the star's diary from millions of miles away. Here's where things get seriously cool. We're cosmic code breakers. When we split starlight into its rainbow colors, each color band is like a fingerprint of different chemical elements. Hot hydrogen glows in red, while helium shows up as yellow. Want to know if a star has iron? Look for specific dark lines in the spectrum. It's like each element has its own secret signature, and we've cracked the code. This technique, called spectroscopy, tells us exactly what stars are cooking with. And bonus, it also reveals if they're moving toward or away from Earth based on whether their light shifts toward blue or red. Mind-blowing, right? You might think photographing stars is as simple as pointing a camera at the sky and clicking, but oh boy, are you in for a treat. Astronomers are basically the ultimate space paparazzi, using some seriously clever tricks. They take hundreds of photos of the same spot and stack them together like a cosmic sandwich to get rid of atmospheric blur. And get this, they often use false colors to make invisible stuff visible. That infrared galaxy that would look totally blank to our eyes, they'll paint it in gorgeous purples and blues so we can see its structure. They'll even track stars for hours, moving their telescopes in perfect sync with Earth's rotation, just to catch enough light for one perfect cosmic glamour shot. Ready for some cosmic eavesdropping? Stars and galaxies are actually pretty chatty. They're constantly broadcasting radio waves across space. Radio telescopes are like giant space ears, catching whispers from the cosmos that regular telescopes can't hear. That massive dish in Arecibo, it's basically a cosmic listening device the size of 30 football fields. These telescopes pick up everything from the gentle hum of distant galaxies to the rapid-fire beeps of spinning pulsars. Sometimes we even catch mysterious fast radio bursts, super bright flashes that pack more energy than our sun produces in a month. It's like picking up phone calls from space. Want to see something really wild? Space is full of dusty cosmic curtains that block our view of cool stuff happening behind them. But we've got a sneaky workaround: X-ray telescopes. These space-based superheroes can see right through those pesky dust clouds like they're not even there. They catch the super-energetic X-rays shooting out from the most extreme places in space, like where black holes are having cosmic snacks or where stars are exploding. NASA's Chandra telescope is our champion X-ray spy, floating up in orbit and showing us what's cooking in the hottest, most energetic kitchens in the universe. It's basically like having Superman's X-ray vision, but for space. Ever tried to follow a moving star across the sky? It's trickier than catching a hyperactive toddler. Stars look like they're dancing across our night sky because Earth spins like a cosmic ballerina. But astronomers have some clever tricks up their sleeves. We use computerized telescopes that automatically track stars, compensating for Earth's rotation. These smart scopes can lock onto a target and follow it for hours, kind of like a space-age tracking device. And here's the really cool part. We can spot stars wobbling from the gravitational pull of invisible planets, or catch them speeding through space at thousands of miles per hour. Want to know the wildest part about astronomy? We can zoom in on stars from right here on Earth. It's like having a microscope that works in reverse. Instead of making tiny things look bigger, we're shrinking the massive distances of space. Modern telescopes use a trick called interferometry, where we connect multiple telescopes to act like one giant eye. Imagine linking telescopes across entire continents. That's exactly what we do. By combining their views, we can spot details smaller than a penny on the moon. We've even managed to snap actual pictures of stars beyond our sun, not just blurry dots, but real stellar surfaces with massive storms and bright spots. Forget old-school stargazing. We're now digital space pirates, stealing secrets from the stars with some serious computing muscle. Every second, our telescopes grab mountains of cosmic data. We're talking terabytes that would fill thousands of laptops. But here's the cool part. Powerful computers clean up our space photos, removing Earth's atmospheric blur like a cosmic Instagram filter. They can spot patterns humans would miss, track thousands of stars at once, and even predict where space objects will be years from now. It's like having 1 million astronomers working 24/7, except they're made of silicon and never need coffee breaks. Hold on to your telescopes, because the future of stargazing is about to get wild. We're talking about telescopes that can unfold themselves in space like giant origami, artificial intelligence that can spot cosmic events faster than any human, and quantum sensors so sensitive they can detect individual photons from the edge of the universe. The James Webb was just the beginning. We're building telescopes that will let us see the atmospheres of Earth-like planets, catch black holes having cosmic snacks in 8K resolution, and maybe even spot the first moments after the Big Bang. The next decade of astronomy. It's going to be absolutely spectacular. Thanks for joining me on this astronomical adventure. We've only scratched the surface of our cosmic spy kit. If you enjoyed this stellar journey, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share with your space-curious friends. See you in the next cosmic expedition.